Alright, in the South America building we have a pair of Debraza monkeys that are here. This is the enclosure they normally have for the gibbons, but right now it's the Debraza monkeys that are using it. They're just climbing around looking for a few treats and checking out the walk, see if that's edible. As in other enclosures, what they do when they feed the Debraza monkeys, before they let them into the enclosure, they will find places to hide the food, and then the monkeys have to go look for it. So I must have stashed some food up there for them.